We are coming to you live from inside the Lusikisiki Magistrate Court, where the state called in two witnesses to take the stand. The first one being the mother of Ruth King, who is also among the deceased in the Lusikisiki and Ngobozana massacre, who detailed how she found her daughter lying in a pool of blood. She first mentioned that as they were sleeping in that house, she heard many people coming inside, some of them kicking the door open, and then they started shooting at the room where her daughter Ruth was sleeping. And she said that she heard her daughter call her name, crying "Mama, Mama," before she went silent as the gunshot kept being fired. And the second witness is also a survivor who lost his wife in that massacre, and he told the court how he found many bodies inside the house where the massacre took place. And he also told the court that there was a baby that was crying inside. But now, to hear more on what happened is Mr. David King, the one of the families who were affected by this massacre. Mr. King, what is your take on what happened in court today?
Yeah, well, it hasn't been a good day. It's been a sad day because it's a day where the survivors had to relive the day of the massacre. And you'd understand that today we had Jane King, who is the mother to Ruth King, who actually was there when a child was crying for her and she just couldn't do anything to help her. We also have the gentleman whose wife died in the incident where he had also had to give witness. So you can understand it was a bit of an emotional day today in court, because having family members having to relive that day could not be easy. Even on the benches, you could see some people wiping their tears because of what they were hearing, what was happening in court.
As the family spokesperson, as the spokesperson for the families who were affected, Mr. King, what else can you expect to happen in court?
Well, look, it's still going to be emotional, because I'm expecting that there are going to be more witnesses that are going to be brought forward, your forensic, your police, as to what they found when they got there. And with the families listening to the court proceedings, it's not going to go down well at all. So this case is not just an ordinary case, but it's a case where you start wondering as to what was actually going through the minds of the people that actually murdered so many people. And it's also concerning of the laws of our country, where the victims now have to look face to face, look at each other face to face with the people who are actually accused as the perpetrators of these murders. So I can't imagine what the feeling would be to actually see somebody who's being accused of murdering your child, of killing your wife. So yeah, it's not a good day at all.